for the ratchet that was already in my hand. We're all thinking stuff.
What's up with the what's ups? Today on this episode of Chopper Mechanics is my sissy bar snapped. But good thing for Nate Hall, owner and operator of Nomad Fabrication Repair and LLC.
In the heart of Howe, Texas, there's one name you can trust when you need repairs done right. Nate Hall of Nomad Fabrication and Repair LLC. When it comes to keeping your ride in top shape, Nate brings the shop to you. Whether it's a simple repair or a custom fabrication, Nomad has got you covered.
Perfect. Not crusty, huh? Not too shiny, not too crusty.
Today, Nate is hard at work crafting a new sissy bar for the spirit of vengeance. This isn't just any bike. It's a symbol of freedom, and every detail matters. At Nomad Fabrication, Nate takes pride in every project. His goal is to give you the quality and personal touch that everyone deserves. With Nomad Fabrication and Repair LLC, you're not just a customer, you're part of the family. From maintenance to custom builds, Nate delivers exceptional service wherever you are. Ready to hit the road? Give Nate a call. For expert mobile mechanic services you can trust, choose Nomad Fabrication and Repair LLC, 214-208-4462.
Alright, well now that we're back from Nomad Fabrication Repair and LLC, we finally got the tail light wired up. I got my sissy bar bag already set up and on the bike. And now that the sissy bar is back on, we are getting ready to display Vengeance at the Paradise Roadshow in Palm Springs, California. So to prepare for that, of course, I need to get the sissy bar fixed. And then we're going to go ahead and put everything original back on to let it show. Right now it's set up with the CV carb because it gets more miles on it. I think it's uglier, but when it needs to rock and roll, it needs to rock and roll. But originally had this one made, so I'm gonna get a Super E thrown back on. Then I'm gonna go ahead and get the belt cleaned up and get the letters rejuvenated back into it. And then I guess I'm gonna go ahead and throw the original glass lens that came with it. I had got one of these plastic ones because I was scared to break the glass one, and my bag was just pressed on the lens for so long it melted it, so we'll change that up also. Alright, let me grab me a Super E, the CV, and two Supers right here. Alright, now let's throw on this Super E. Yoink! Okay, first thing we're going to do is remove this CV carburetor. Okay, now that the carb has been removed, we can move on to installing the new one. In case you have trouble removing yours, revert to step 1. Alright, now that she is on, nice and pretty, you can see why I thought the other one looked a little bit uglier, because that sucker right there is just mean. If only it ran like that CV. Alright, well now let's go on and get these letterings cleaned up. So, as you can see, at one time it said, "Vengeance is mine, saith the Lord." So we're just going to clean it up and get the letters back. Alright, look how nice and pretty she is now. Vengeance is mine, saith the Lord. Pretty cool. and clean. She's all buttoned up and ready to start. Couple of mechanics. I gotta clean this horrendous mess I got going on before I even go out for another ride. But we'll see you guys on the flip side.